All eyes on Intel as they set to report earnings in overtime. Here to discuss, Bernstein's top chip analyst, Stacy Rasgon. We do this every quarter, and you've come off the true lows as it relates to Intel. Not that you're on any level of high, but what do we really expect today?
Yeah, you bet. So the quarter should be fine. They actually already effectively positively pre-announced it. They said they're coming in kind of in the upper half of guidance, and street numbers haven't been broadly reset yet, so they ought to beat the quarter. Going forward, there's some puts and takes. I think the PC environment looks better, at least like the channel inventory situation is kind of normalized and demand was okay. I'm a little nervous about traditional data center. There's still some inventory correction going there, and there's shift of spending from CPUs that they sell to GPUs and other accelerators that they really don't sell very much of. And going into next year, the company recently made some comments around gross margins that were not taken all that well. What they said was that they expected gross margins next year to expand, but not by quote unquote hundreds and hundreds of basis points. And so I don't know exactly what hundreds and hundreds means, but street numbers at that point had gross margins next year up 500 or 600 basis points. And so that's probably more than hundreds and hundreds. And so there's some controversy, I think, going forward on where do gross margins need to come in. And just, into the print this week, we actually took our revenue estimates up, but I took my earnings estimates down actually because of those gross margin claims. So any color they can give us on that, I think would be helpful, at least in terms of setting like the expectations for next year.
Since you took those down, is that what keeps us from buying the stock here? Because I was going to say, the risk reward, why not? Right? At some point, these things get so bad that they're good.
Yeah.
That's almost kind of how you were on the upgrade.
Yeah, to be fair, though, the stock at that point was pretty close to book value. It was like $25 a share. So it's higher than that now. Right. And they just do have a lot of wood to chop. So again, you don't exactly know where the numbers need to go next year, both on revenues and particularly on margins. And I'll be honest, I don't know what it looks like if I'm looking out in 3, 4, 5 years. Are GPUs and data center going to take share away from CPUs? Is the CPU data center TAM in 5 years bigger or smaller than it is today? Can they succeed on their process roadmap, and can they build a successful foundry business? And even if they do, what do the economics of that look like? Do they look like TSMC, or do they look like Samsung, or do they look worse? There's just a lot of uncertainty. I'm comfortable staying on the sidelines at this point until we get a little more clarity on what that trajectory is. And we're not going to get like a lot of color on that yet.
See, I was going to use the word clarity myself as you were saying that, because you feel like you have more clarity when it comes to NVIDIA or Broadcom, and that's the story.
Yeah, at least for NVIDIA, look, people worry about, the sustainability of demand and is there an air pocket just because the numbers are getting so big so quickly. But there is real demand for their products. Clearly, there is demand. They can't supply everything that's there for now. Broadcom is interesting. So there is demand for their AI parts as well. They sell these to Google, and they're benefiting on the networking side. Broadcom's core business actually did get a little weaker. That was a worry when they reported a couple of months ago. But the AI piece is actually, it's big enough. It's actually stronger than they thought. It's actually bridging the gap. So their numbers were fine. The core sort of numbers are actually reset as you get into next year. So it makes numbers easier rather than tougher as we get into next year. And then we'll see if they close VMware next week or not. I don't know yet. But if they manage to close that deal, it's another potentially 20% accretion that's not in the numbers. And even without it, the stock's still very, very cheap. So I like Broadcom as well.
Notable at all that I'm looking at Texan right now, Texas Instruments. Yeah. All right, it's such a bad day in the market. Texan's up near 2%. Yeah. Did you have it underperform, and the price target is where it's at now?
Yeah. So, they reported the other day, and we were concerned going into the print for two reasons. One was we thought Q4 was just modeled wrong. It was just way too high. And then structurally, gross margins were too high. We thought they'd trend down to 60% or even lower. And actually, they guided Q4, I don't know, 8 or 10 points below the street in terms of sequential growth. And they don't guide the gross margins, but you can kind of back it out. They were implicitly guiding gross margins in Q4 to 60% or lower. The stock did take a bath. Although it was funny, yesterday everything was taking a bath. TI, funnily enough, actually was horrible, but it outperformed the broader semi sector yesterday. I still think that there are enough structural headwinds on TI that make me a little nervous. They're in a massive investment phase into a cycle peak, which is what's driving this. Although again, I'm not going to knock what they're doing. I understand what they're doing and why they're doing it. They're looking 10, 15 years out. Over that time frame, I think it's fine. Over the next 12 months, I think it does make things challenging. It's hard for me to see a catalyst for structural outperformance, at least at this point.
Is there a best stock in your orbit that not enough people are talking about?
best stock in my orbit. I mean, people kind of talk about everything these days in my orbit.
Not really. I mean, it's like, you know what I mean? It's like dominated by, AMD and NVIDIA and Broadcom.
I'll be honest, of the ones that are sort of not as sort of, mainstream, like household names, probably Broadcom. I'd love to get more incoming on Broadcom. Broadcom's in a little bit of a purgatory right now until they settle out the VMware deal that they're doing one way or the other. But that is a stock that I've always loved. And frankly, I feel like it doesn't get the respect and the valuation that it deserves given the financials of what it is. So that is one probably that I'd love to get a little more attention on, frankly. But it's not like a household name. It's not like an NVIDIA or an Intel.
Yeah, I thought maybe you were going to say Applied Materials or something like that.
Oh, yeah, maybe. I'm a long-term, like big semi-cap bull over the long term. So, yeah, maybe.
I enjoyed it as always. Stacy, be well. We'll see you soon.